Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. If you attempt to log in from an unknown area or device, Facebook will authenticate your login with a code sent via SMS or with an authenticator app. For mobile, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu. It's the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner or top left on some models. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings again and tap Security and Login or search for Security. Now, tap Two-Factor Authentication and select a security method. Tap the Continue button and set up recovery codes. Two-factor authentication requires that you have your smartphones with you so you can authenticate by text or authentication app. And last, sign in to Facebook with two-factor authentication. Now that you've secured your account with 2FA, you can test it out by trying to sign in with your regular username and password. Once it's accepted, enter the code from the SMS message from Facebook or the Authenticator app into the appropriate field to complete the sign-in. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.